Hi there, hoppers! This is your dashboard. This is where you'll spend most of the time watching your hopper. Here, you'll find your open positions. In this tab, you'll see your start amount, what you have invested at the moment, and what your return is. Make sure you filled in a correct start balance, so this percentage profit calculator will show a correct percentage. These buttons will give you the control to stop the hopper entirely, stop buying, or stop selling. Want your hopper to buy at specific rates? Use the manual buy order and create your limit order. Your order will be kept until executed. Keep in mind, an amount of your funds will be reserved for this order. So if you want to use all of your funds, but the hopper says you have insufficient funds, check if there are manual limit orders that have reserved an amount of your funds. At Current Assets, there's a clear overview of your current assets. Did you know you can synchronize positions you have bought manually on your exchange? The Wallet Scrubber helps you sell amounts of currencies that are too small to sell. The Wallet Scrubber will buy extra of that certain currency and will immediately sell it. At the bottom of your dashboard, there's an important part. This is where the information of your hopper is shown. The Cryptohopper output. It'll show its actions and errors. If you have questions about why your hopper isn't working, this should be the first place you look. There can be problems with your funds, your API keys, the selection of too many coins, too many positions, and most of it will be shown in this output. Use last signal output to see what the last signal was you received and what your hopper did with that signal. That's it! Happy hopping!